Hello guys, today I've got the NAVEE GT3 Max electric scooter and I'm going to show you how to pair your scooter with the application and how to install the application and all these basics. So as you can see, you'll see, let me turn it off, at the top of your scooter and this display there was a sticker. Yellow sticker with the QR codes. As you can see, it's this one, this thing. You can actually you need to scan this QR code. If you have the Android phone, you need to scan this one on the left one, Hello Focus here. This left one, Google Play, and if you have an iPhone, iOS. Let me scan quickly here the iOS one. And now you should be redirected to your store. As you can see here, we've got the NAVEE application. You need to tap Get and then authorize yourselves using the Face ID, Apple ID, password, or the Touch ID, depending on the device you actually want to install the application on. If it's an iPad or some iPhone, everything that has the camera. Here now we've got the menu to log in and register to our account. You need to tap here I have read, and if you have the account, you need to here click login. But I don't, I will click register. I will do it with the Google. Continue. The login actually is the same on every single application in the internet, so you need to enter the email, password, then verify the email and you'll be good to go. Of course, with the Google, you can just click a few buttons and authorize it, like I do here, but I can't here catch a focus on this. Maybe brightness. Here. Continue. And now, here as you can see, we got link my device. Click it and click allow. Now, apart from that, you may either scan the QR code or I think you can't scan the QR code. I don't know why, but here as you can see, we've got searching for nearby devices. You need to now turn on your electric scooter using the power button. Now as you can see, we've got this beeping sound. We need to tap here search again, and here we've got our GT3 Max. We need to tap this button over here, link it, and tap agree. We can allow for location using when you're using the application, not using. And now we've got our scooter right here in the application. That's how to pair it. Goodbye.